Shubor nakaslem Jngoh Nongshong Hima.
Menteri rangba kajela Conrad Sangma minta kasngi palei ulale Jngoh Shnong ki thau Tura banyu kendo Nongshong Shnong hapding kajing kan at kabadang yat harilum garo hapding gijat benriu garo bat ki bomdei kiriulum ki pat ba Nongshong Shnong kilami ban ai khublei menteri rangba ubalawan lang bat ka Kurim Jngoh ka Dr. Metap Sangma kabadai kamalie na Gambegri constituency bat ki weipan Hagani kesngi ki Nongshong Shnong kilami ban Pynkhuid ki tiar kitar ki bal penjat de ki pat bhur hasurok bat ki rut ki kyar hasor Tura.
Parangwa, di ba kita na belaka. Ngayon nakaba crisis ni somayo kita nang sini kuni doa na kita sauni ko dogen. Naan sini manang gabat sakani. Aron asan sina thomani ko naktaman gabat sini so Jehova. Ya somani bako sini dilga parangko sini political dilga parangko aro sini asong ko dilga parangko kita na likas sakani singa sono na singara doata. Even ya Garo Hills aro Tura so jengjeng ongia aro dengtang ni kanirangko maninga. Irang maini geman digi onga singa tengah tangtako ni plani so mai ongia ni tengah katinga di bagian Jehova tengah ya derga parangna tengah nang osan bidang taska wamang na ya ni masin yang konbo jera pada getel Jehova ya situation no wamang nang ni wisdom si control kan akta magen nasan wamang ko redul china nasan wamang ko dul china je decision na nang gada nang gaparang ko
shortage in RML area, in and around RML, there are about 7-8 localities here. So there is shortage of rice and shortage of eating materials. I think we should contact all the development committees in this area. ADCs, just put them on board. All the development committees, and we should distribute according to the list that they give. We'll give a bit of rice to everybody. This will be done ASAP. Because the areas affected is not much. It's only this RML area mainly. But then we'll expand it to other areas also. But as of now, it is RML area. जहाँ से भी करना है करो, बस काम करो बॉस. बाद में देखिए कैसे करना है. Get the right to the people. हाँ मैम. Di sini juga aku cetak kita sampai di sini lagi development committee aku rongi mun untuk nomor keko suara nama aru sekarang makin untuk tanggal mana semua tentang bisnis itu oke sekali itu waktu mamung betul betul itu waktu mamung itu mamung tampaknya. Kalau situation जैसा है आगे नहीं होगा. मैं समझ ओके आप लोग today there is about 10 or 15 only there. But possibly they're getting
again regroups are
situation to large extent. I hope you're preserved.
Sir, everyone is okay, sir. I hope you would get that.
Nobody's injured.
No. That is all small.
We watch the situation for a couple of days again. That's the plan. But after 6-7, then we can try.
Like March, we can do it.
Everything okay here?
Fine. As of now, sir. Today we do not open it much. They will not push it.
Also, there are some relief camps in the border in Chalang News. Chalang? In Gumigui, Patabari. Only they reached only Gumigui. They didn't reach Patabari and Gumigui.
Oh, okay.
Just
Okay, sure.
the medicines and all to the fight. Military forces and rice are very poor, especially in Thailand.
Arrival by body.
Okay. And I'll just go and meet the IG here, sir. You have to go and enjoy this. Thank you for all the support. Because of the support of the forces. Dia waktu nama Hima, coba, aku cek video kali na. Ini itu yang aku berani. Ada Tura ni NPP office na taurit ba. At sing lakan bijalo ko parang pulakinga. Tentang mandirang bijalo tentang biap rangko nosto ka attack ka maalsua aro NPP office ko ba tentang mansa magsungin party office ko ba target ka kaya natsa na mento ko ma party ko attack ka na mamung nang mani dumjatsin hindi pa dalo yung political line ng kali dalo yung NPP office ko dalo yung attack ka kadiya kanas ka nga mamung tabat nga kaya nagabant nga ogiza chanchiza jirangan dalo yung kodakatsin ubusan ni Kri sumba sa stipumakin hindi ba nga party ni mandirang na beses kunas ka dalo yung mandirang jirangan at sini party office ko suwatsin kaya dahil chanchina ba nga party office ko suwatsi isang NPP ko punat na magkin hindi ba sa kancim biya NPP de mandirang ni katungos ini kami mamang saloba NPP ko punat na magjawa yung office ko ba nga aro ng batirkin aro party ko ba aro black pate ngonge ang sing organization ko ba again niya sumani pa ko nga party ni black ni wakarang na leader ang nga ya sumani pa ko kanas takot kila
ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbej ki kamru ku mengalong ya pimene don kamra songkai ni songing ya keren hi hang ya barako kata kalong ka karkom im jang giri undai langit ndaki briu ke ya be kata ka akum ka juk ka bamta kan kanduk kani ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki bale uman barim ki ladu